Dysmenorrhea, commonly known as menstrual cramps, affects many women during their menstrual cycle. It can range from mild discomfort to severe pain, often leading to missed days at work or school. While over-the-counter medications can provide relief, many women prefer natural remedies to manage their symptoms. This article explores simple natural recipes and remedies that can help alleviate dysmenorrhea effectively. Understanding dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea is categorized into two types: primary dysmenorrhea. This type is not associated with any underlying medical condition and typically occurs in young women. It is caused by the release of prostaglandins, which are chemicals that trigger uterine contractions. Secondary dysmenorrhea. This type is caused by an underlying condition, such as endometriosis, fibroids, or pelvic inflammatory disease. It usually starts later in life and can last longer than primary dysmenorrhea. Common symptoms of dysmenorrhea include cramping, pain in the lower abdomen, nausea and vomiting, fatigue and dizziness, headaches. Natural remedies for dysmenorrhea. Here are some effective natural recipes and remedies to help alleviate the symptoms of dysmenorrhea. 1. Ginger tea. Ingredients: 1-2 inches of fresh ginger root, 2 cups of water, honey optional, lemon juice optional. Instructions: peel and slice the ginger root. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the ginger slices to the boiling water and let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Optionally, add honey and lemon juice for flavor. Benefits: ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the severity of menstrual cramps. It also aids in digestion and can alleviate nausea. 2. Chamomile tea. Ingredients: 1-2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or 1 chamomile tea bag, 1 cup of boiling water, honey optional. Instructions: place the chamomile flowers or tea bag in a cup. Pour boiling water over it and let it steep for about 5-10 minutes. Remove the flowers or bag and add honey if desired. Benefits: chamomile tea is known for its calming effects and can help relax the muscles of the uterus, reducing cramps. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease pain. 3. Peppermint tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves or 1 peppermint tea bag, 1 cup of hot water. Instructions: place the dried peppermint leaves or tea bag in a cup. Pour hot water over it and let it steep for about 5-10 minutes. Remove the leaves or bag and enjoy the tea. Benefits: peppermint contains menthol, which acts as a natural muscle relaxant. It can help ease menstrual cramps and soothe digestive discomfort. 4. Heat therapy materials: heating pad or hot water bottle, blanket or towel. Instructions: fill a hot water bottle with hot water or use a heating pad. Place the heating pad or hot water bottle on your lower abdomen. Cover it with a blanket or towel to retain heat. Benefits: applying heat to the abdominal area can help relax the muscles and improve blood flow, effectively reducing menstrual cramps. 5. Essential oil blend. Ingredients: 2-3 drops of lavender essential oil, 2-3 drops of clary sage essential oil, 2-3 drops of peppermint essential oil, carrier oil such as coconut or almond oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix the essential oils with the carrier oil. Gently massage the blend onto your lower abdomen in a circular motion. Benefits: essential oils like lavender and clary sage have calming effects and can reduce muscle tension. The aroma can also help alleviate stress and anxiety associated with menstrual pain. 6. Apple cider vinegar drink. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of warm water, honey optional. Instructions: mix the apple cider vinegar with warm water. Optionally, add honey for taste. Drink this mixture once daily during your menstrual cycle. Benefits: apple cider vinegar can help balance hormones and reduce bloating, making it easier to cope with menstrual cramps. 7. Turmeric milk. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, 1-2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, honey optional. Instructions: in a saucepan, heat the milk until warm. Stir in the turmeric powder and black pepper. Optionally, add honey for sweetness. Drink this mixture before bed. Benefits: turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory properties due to its active compound, curcumin. It can help reduce pain and inflammation associated with dysmenorrhea. 8. Flaxseed smoothie ingredients: 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice, a handful of spinach, optional honey, optional instructions. In a blender, combine the ground flax seeds, banana, almond milk, and spinach. Blend until smooth and creamy. Optionally, add honey for sweetness. Benefits: flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate menstrual cramps. This smoothie is also a nutritious option to support overall health. 9. Pineapple and ginger smoothie ingredients: 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, 1-2 inches of fresh ginger root, 1 cup of coconut water, ice cubes. Optional instructions: in a blender, combine the pineapple chunks, ginger, and coconut water. Blend until smooth, adding ice cubes if desired. Benefits: pineapple contains bromelain, which can help reduce inflammation and pain. Paired with ginger, this smoothie can be a refreshing way to ease menstrual discomfort. 10. Hydration ingredients: water, herbal teas, coconut water. Instructions: ensure you drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water or herbal teas daily. Benefits: staying hydrated can help alleviate bloating and reduce the severity of cramps. Herbal teas can provide additional soothing effects. Lifestyle tips for managing dysmenorrhea: in addition to these natural remedies, consider incorporating these lifestyle changes to help manage dysmenorrhea. Regular exercise: engaging in regular physical activity can help reduce cramps and improve overall well-being. Activities like yoga, walking, or swimming can be particularly beneficial. Balanced diet: eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can support hormonal balance and reduce inflammation. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar. Stress management: stress can exacerbate menstrual pain. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help manage stress levels. Adequate sleep: aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Proper rest can help reduce fatigue and improve your body's ability to cope with pain. Herbal supplements: some women find relief with herbal supplements, such as chasteberry or evening primrose oil. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplements. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Limiting caffeine and alcohol intake may help reduce bloating and discomfort during menstruation. When to seek medical attention: while natural remedies can be effective for managing dysmenorrhea, it's important to seek medical attention if you experience severe pain that interferes with daily activities, symptoms that worsen over time, irregular menstrual cycles, pain during intercourse, any unusual bleeding or discharge. Conclusion: dysmenorrhea can be a challenging condition, but with the right natural remedies and lifestyle adjustments, you can alleviate symptoms and improve your quality of life. From ginger tea to heat therapy, these simple recipes can help you manage menstrual cramps effectively. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen. Embracing these natural approaches can empower you to navigate your menstrual cycle with greater comfort and ease.